the last month I've been using the Figma to code MCP and I absolutely love it. So I thought I'd do a video on how I use the Figma MCP. To get started, you do actually need a dev or full seat in Figma, so just make sure you have those perms. You want to connect to the MCP. They do have a list of examples here, but it does work like a standard MCP. In Figma, you want to go to the Dev tab, and without having anything selected, you want to go to the MCP server, set up an MCP client. Here you get to choose your IDE or coding agent. In my case, I'm going to choose Cursor. Now you can select Add, or I'm going to copy the code snippet and add it manually. In Cursor, I'm going to go to the Cursor settings. I'm going to go to Tools, and then I'm going to select Add a custom MCP. Then I'm going to paste that code snippet in. Once we have the MCP pasted in, we just need to authorize Figma. Back in Figma, I'm going to go to the Figma design section and use Figma AI to come up with a mock design for us. So I'm going to go a task app. Figma's come up with an awesome, simple task app for us. I'm just going to change the color to a nice yellow. Let's create a simple Next.js app adding Tailwind. Let's now go back to Figma, copy a link to the selection. Back in Cursor, opening the agent pane and say build this link. You can see here Cursor's requesting to use the MCP. Cursor finished implementing the link that we gave it. As we can see here, it's followed our Tailwind Next.js setup. We're going to go keep all, and now we're going to have a preview of what it's built. So you can see here it's followed all of our instructions. It's even made it responsive, which is really awesome. There was a quick, simple video on how I use the Figma MCP. Now I plan on doing a follow-up video on some advanced Figma MCP tricks that I have. Subscribe for more and like the video if you enjoyed it. Thanks.